Hello everyone, I am Tanushree Chauhan, a student of Faculty of Engineering, University of Lucknow. I am going to present a seminar on topic self-filled concrete pavement. Under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, a rural road network has been considerably grown, which will develop the villages and ultimately this will develop our whole country. That road were made as a flexible pavement of thin bituminous surface which get damaged due to the overloaded vehicles and inadequate drainage facilities, etc. IIT Kharagpur has developed a new technology called self-filled concrete pavement which will promise that it will have in low initial cost and almost maintenance free, which will also generate the employments for the rural area. Plastic cells were used in this, which is made from high density polyethylene of thickness 0.22 mm to about 0.25 mm. Plastic sheets were manufactured in industries of about 50 mm to 100 mm wide, and these strips can be heated, welded, and stitched to form a cells. These cells are available ready-madely in the shops. In this whole slide, we can see that the process of making self-filled concrete pavement. First figure shows the preparation of the subgrade like this. We can make the subgrade and then we will put the plastic cells as shown in the figure number 3, and then we will pour the concrete over the cells like in figure number 4, and in figure number 5 we will finish the surface by plate, and then we will cure it by the jute mats, and then we will finish the pavement like the figure number 7. Preparation of subgrade and subbase. The subgrade forms the top 300 mm thick portion of the embankment, which is given in the specification of rural roads. Subgrade in the embankment is compacted in 2 layers, usually to a higher standard than the embankment of the usual rural roads. If the soil is poor, then 300 mm of subgrade may consist of good quality of material from the borrow pits with CBR exceeding 5. The subbase may consist of laterite boulder consolidation and waterboard macadam or wet mist macadam. Chhama brick can also be used, and other property and cement stabilized soil with other property of stabilizers. Construction. Construction of embankment. Subgrade and subbase should be done as a specification of rural road. Proper camber is also provided like given in the specification of rural road, and drainage layer should be should be concerned with the rainfall of that area. Stone and concrete blocks or brick should be provided at the edge of the roads, which will further protect the self-filled concrete. Hard shoulders with proper camber is also necessary for the stability of the concrete. Blocks are placed so that trucks traveling close to the edge may not damage the concrete pavement. Formwork of this plastic cell is then laid and subbase over the subbase and tension and under tension with the iron spikes so the cells are close to the square in a plan. Nylon thread are used to stitch the cell properly so that tensioning is maintained and it do not collapse when the concrete is filled in the cells. Concrete should be filled into the cells to the depth of 120 mm, which is about 20 mm higher than the depth of the cell, so that the cell do not um, come out after the filling of concrete. Some amount of water may evaporate during the mixing, so that proper water is provided in the hot weather, and this will this will produce better quality pavement. And vibratory rollers and vibratory plate compactors are used to smooth the uh, top surface of the road. Like this figure number 8, we can see the diagram showing about the layers of the concrete pavement, self-filled concrete pavement. Joints in this, we do not have to provide any joints, because plastic cells are enough are individually contract and shrink, which do not affect the pavements, and the cracks do not come. Concrete block would shrink during the curing and causing the gap of 20 micron, which is very negligible, so the expansion joint is also not provided. Curing, in this we can see that 3 to 3.5% of camber is provided, which is under the ruler road specification, and for this we will use jute or coir mats and wet paddy straw, so which is given in IRC 84/1983. In the water ponding method, water accumulate on the lower side of the which is higher parts becomes dry, so we will provide only jute mats over the pavement. One of the case study is here, that Anur Hunasehali road, which is of 2.16 kilometer in Sidlaghata Taluk, is built, which is joined to T7, is made with the technology called self-filled concrete. The above selected road is under the village road, constructed under the technology demonstration project phase 9. The objective of the work was to conduct pavement performance studies on the said road, which include the structural and functional evaluation. In functional evaluation, roughness was measured using Merlin and pavement condition, surveyed longitudinal and transverse cracking. Severity of potholes and area of patching has also been measured. In the traffic survey, different types of vehicles, including commercial vehicles, is recorded for 72 hours, that is 3 days. And in axial load survey, number of vehicles and type of vehicles has been recorded, so that vehicle damage factor can be calculated. In non-destructive structural evaluation, deflection studies using Benkelman beam deflectometer was done. In this, we find the dampness on the road, so that we can calculate the plane of the surface. The thickness should be of 40 to 100 mm in the self-filled rebound deflection. The evaluation has been carried out in 3 cycles of interval, that is of 4 in the 4 months. Here we can see the cost statement of different technologies. We can see the cost of self-filled concrete pavement is less than the conventional bituminous road, that is GSP road. This is taken from this table is taken from the technology demonstration project, and from this the result are calculated, that is from the structural evaluation. We can see the average characteristic of deflection is found is 0.32 mm, which is very negligible, and which is good from the flexible pavement. And overloaded vehicles are also plied on this road, which do not get damaged from these vehicles. From the functional evaluation, international roughness index value obtained from below 3, which is good for the riding quality and riding comfort, but the roughness value is not good. PCI value of the self-filled concrete section is 94, which is much better than the other technology, and therefore requires no maintenance. Advantages of this technology: the use of recycled plastic is used. Expansion and contraction joint are not required. Construction of self-filled concrete pavement is advantageous as compared to the conventional concrete and asphalt pavement. As per the cost per kilometer, the self-filled concrete pavement is better than the conventional concrete road, and as per the PSI rate, it is good from the flexible road. So maintenance is not required in the periodically. And if the individual block fails, then it can be easily replaced without much effort and with least cost. Disadvantages: the preparation of cells are very cumbersome, which is very tough to be built. The cells get disturbed while placing the concrete, and hence proper care is required. Placing of concrete without disturbing the cells slows down the progress. Consumption of labor is much more oriented work. Due to slow progress, the actual turnout of men and machinery is less than the normal construction. Conclusion: self-filled concrete pavement can be recommended for the weak base and sub-base layers instead of flexible pavement, since it shows the resistance to the structural durability. Self-filled concrete pavement has very little effect to the riding comfort in terms of roughness. Construction of self-filled concrete pavement is advantageous compared to the conventional concrete and asphalt pavement, since self-filled concrete are economical and conventional to the conventional concrete. They need very less annual maintenance compared to the flexible road. Conventional and self-filled concrete roads could be a solution for the rural road. Because of the life of the concrete road, it is beneficial to use self-filled in low volume traffic condition. Self-filled concrete road is a challenge in the rural road construction with the effective diversion of traffic. Here we can see the references from where I have taken the materials and information. Thank you.